Can you guess the sound, little game?
I like this. This is a good gullible game.
Right, okay, so what I'm going to do,
I'm up for it.
I'm going to play some sounds, and you can guess what the sound is individually. Alright?
Sounds good to me.
So, first sound, ready? Bloody hell.
A nail gun.
You knew that straight away?
Gotta be.
Okay, no,
I love
go.
a nail gun.
Right, next one.
Sweeping up. Sweeping up all day.
How do you know about that?
What?
Not something I do much of, but yeah.
Right, this one, ready?
Oh, that could be sweeping up as well.
Oh!
Any noise could be sweeping up, I've never heard it before!
Literally, yeah, literally.
What's sweeping up?
Tape measure. Tape measure.
Take this out, okay. Right, here we go.
Oh!
God, what is that?
A saw. Yeah,
Oh,
saw and a
It sounds
bit
like
of
an aggressive Alsatian to
Yeah.
me. Get out of my house!
yeah.
Right, ready? Okay.
What was that?
I know what that is.
Hey?
I know what that is.
Is that the plasterer's trowel in the bucket?
Is that paint in the wall, maybe? I know, like a
They're
brush.
very noisy, aren't they,
I
papers?
know, yeah.
Okay, I think you did quite well there.